Hi, my name is Cesar De La Cerda, and I am the founder of EnvisionVest. We are an online financial planning and investment management company. And the purpose of this video today is to talk about financial planning in our modern era of technology. Since we can do a lot of this online, I wanted to talk about what financial planning is. There will be more videos to come. This is just a touch very briefly on the different areas of financial planning. And then the other videos that we'll start to put out will be more specifically on maybe different income levels or different stages where somebody might be for retirement, either starting or they're in the middle or they're about to retire and they're not certain if they should work more, do they have enough money? And so that's the kind of advice that we can give in that situation. We'll touch on topics like education for paying for education for children, so how to fund a college program, but then also a bit of resources that can be available to you. There are a lot of resources that we have access to or can share that you can utilize to help pay for tuition and get your child into the college of your choice. We'll talk about emergency fund and creating an emergency fund. So in case something unexpected happens, we'll talk about healthcare and expenses, whether it's in retirement or before. Talk about debt management. This is a big concern for a lot of people. How to reduce high accounts or high interest rates accounts. How to buy a home. We'll talk about that, or maybe even a second home, a vacation home. How to buy the pimpin' car that you'd like to have. And then how to make big purchases. Maybe you're getting married or you're getting divorced or planning a big quinceañera or a vacation. So these are the areas that we're going to be touching base on through time. Please send us an email. Don't hesitate to reach out on topics that you'd like to get more information on, and subscribe to our channel. We will be putting out a lot of information to help you be more financially confident. And we look forward to you enjoying our videos and reaching out to us if you have any questions or need some help. Thank you so much and have a great rest of the day. And we hope you enjoy the content. Again, please subscribe to us, like us, visit us on all the other media channels as well. Have a great day. Bye.